The Detention Dragon. Aiden sat still in the quietest room, with a dusty eraser and a face full of gloom. Under the chalkboard, where shadows were deep, he saw a small tail and a creature asleep. He reached through the dust and he gave it a poke. Out crawled a dragon in a puff of blue smoke, with scales like a sunset and eyes big and gold, a secret this detention was destined to hold. The dragon was Soren, a lost little thing, with a shivering tail and a tiny left wing. The clock on the wall gave a heavy, loud tick. "It's 2:02, and we have to move quick." "At 3 on the dot," Aiden said with a sigh, "you'll sneeze out a flame that will singe the whole sky." He grabbed his old backpack and some crackers to chew, and out of the window the two of them flew. Through the tall grass where the buttercups sway, Aiden ran fast to find the right way. The dragon gave hiccups that crackled and popped. Across the old bridge they jumped and they hopped. "The Cave of the Crags," Aiden shouted with glee. "We have 20 minutes, just wait and you'll see." But Soren was rubbing his tiny green nose as heat started radiating down to his toes. The path became rocky, the air became thin. Aiden helped Soren with a wide, dusty grin. The clock on his wrist read 2:55. They had 5 more minutes to get there alive. They reached the deep cave as the shadows grew long, where crystals were humming a low, ancient song. A mother named Ilara stood noble and bright, to tuck in her baby and hold him so tight. Ilara leaned down with a rumble so deep, a promise of secrets the mountains would keep. She nuzzled the boy with a snout soft as silk, and offered a bowl of warm dragon fire milk. The clock struck the hour, a boom shook the ground, but safe in the cave, not a flame could be found. Aiden sat back in his classroom so plain, ready to head out for adventure again.